OnePlus. In past years, many have been testifying to how they've enjoyed using the OnePlus products. So today I'll be reviewing one of the OnePlus products, which is the OnePlus 8T smartphone. So without further much ado, let's dive in. Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'll be running a mini review on the OnePlus 8T smartphone. But just to let you guys know that this is not a sponsored video, it is just a mini review video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Wait, I know you might be disappointed at this video, that it's not like other tech videos or other phone review videos, but I'm committed to improving the quality of my videos. Please, I would like you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification. Firstly, in every smartphone you ever want to acquire, the most important thing to check first is the space. So we're going to be looking at the space of the OnePlus 8T smartphone. When I talk about the space, I mean the RAM, the ROM, the internal storage, and so on. For the RAM of the OnePlus 8T smartphone, it has a RAM of 12GB and an internal storage of 256GB, which can help you to store every file you want to store and download any kind of apps. For me, the OnePlus 8T smartphone has a good storage space, and I'll be giving them a thumbs up for that. Secondly, we'll be checking out the display and the battery capacity. For the display, the OnePlus 8T has a screen size of 6.55 inches and a screen resolution of 240 by 1080 smooth display. And not forgotten, the OnePlus 8T has a 120Hz refresh rate. Looking at the battery capacity of the OnePlus 8T smartphone, the phone has a lithium-ion battery, and the battery is rated at 4500 mAh. So we can say that the phone could last a while. But let's get serious here. A phone that has a 12GB RAM and a 256GB storage space, what good can a 4500 mAh battery do to the phone? Do you think it could last well? Let me know your mind in the comment section below. And now let's melt down the ice. We'll be looking at the camera features of the OnePlus 8T smartphone. Looking at the camera features of the OnePlus 8T smartphone, it has a 48 megapixel main camera, a wonderful 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5 megapixel micro lens, and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. This phone can also shoot videos of up to 4K at 30 and 60 frame rates per second. More so, the OnePlus 8T operating system is Android 11 and is powered by the 865 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and the phone also has a warp charging, so it can really charge fast. You can see that the phone ain't really that bad, but the only part that needs to be improved is the monochrome lens and the battery. I have come to the end of my video. I'll see you soon. Good profit sharing.